I think that gender equality is very important.
What have you done to further gender equality?
Gender equality is a civil right.
All that gender equality and all.
Gender equality?
Gender discrimination. We have gender discrimination.
Gender discrimination. Case of gender discrimination.
To LGBTQ folks.
This is actually an LGBTQ.
LGBTQ.
Gay.
We're gay. Transgender.
Transgender.
East Rutherford, New Jersey, Gay, Lesbian, Bisexual, and Transgender Alliance Luau.
In our world today, gender equality, despite decades of progress, millions of people around the world are still denied the basic human rights simply because of their gender. At sa kasamaang palad, halos karamihan ng LGBTQIA+ members ay nahihiya ipakita o i-express ang kanilang sarili o ang kanilang pagkakakilanlan. And sadly, gay people are the ones who are most likely to be bullied or even abused. These are the type of people who stand in front of mirrors, who wear dresses, wear makeup, and even act as girls. At nakakalungkot dahil halos karamihan o di kaya lahat ng bakla ay binubugbog ng kanilang mga tatay o ng mga tao. Minamaliit din ang babae.
Uy, ginagawa mo? Ba't ka nagbubot ng ganun? Babae ka lang eh. Amin na nga yan.
Babae ka lang, bawal ka magbuhat. Even when the bisexuals are trying to make friends, they still get ignored. Bisexuals know how to love each gender, but other people don't love them back. Sabi din nila, kapag lalaki ka, dapat matigas ka, matikas, malakas. Pero bawal ka umiyak. Pag umiyak ka, malambot at mahina ka. And it's also sad to say that gender discrimination can not just affect personality, but also love. Kapag lesbiana ka daw, salot ka daw sa lipunan. At imbes ang puso ay titibo-tibo, tawag sa'yo ay tibo-tibo.
Uy! Yung bad-banding! Lesbiana! Yak!
Masakit man sa damdamin, pero kailangan mo na lang tanggapin. Subalit lahat ng diskriminasyon, dapat lumaban ka. Despite the hate and the difficulties, don't forget that there's always somebody there to guide, love, and accept you no matter who you are.
Hindi ako babae lang, kaya ko yan. Okay na.
Sigurado ka?
Oo.
Babae siya, pero hindi babae lang. Kahit hindi naman tayo mahal ng iba, mahalin pa rin natin ang ating sarili. At magpasalamat tayo sa mga taong nagmahal at tumanggap kung sino tayo. We are all humans. We are all equal.